Years of harsh dust storms and soil erosion occurred in the Great Plains region of the United States in the 1930s, causing the area to gain the name Dust Bowl. Drought and farming practices that depleted healthy topsoil combined with an economic depression. The dust storms darkened the sky and made it difficult to breathe. The event also damaged crops and livestock, causing food shortages and increasing poverty. The Great Dust Storm of May 1934 impacted New Mexico, Colorado, Kansas, Texas, and Oklahoma. 60-mile-per-hour winds ripped up 350 million tons of dirt, creating zero visibility in some places, with deposits occurring in New York City and Washington, D.C. The peak of 72 storms happened in 1937, but erosion and drought lingered for at least 3 more years in some locations.